Band-tailed pigeon are soft blue-gray above and purplish-gray below, with a white crescent on the back of the neck. The upper half of the tail is gray, fading to a pale gray band at the tip. The wings are unmarked pale gray with dark wingtips noticeable in flight. The bill and feet are yellow. Band-tailed pigeons have a slow, low-pitched, two-note coo that sounds almost owl-like. Band-tailed pigeons search the forests for fruits, nuts, seeds, and occasionally insects, often in large flocks outside the breeding season. Band-tails are sociable, foraging in flocks at most seasons and often nesting in small colonies. Unlike many doves, they do much of their feeding up in trees, clambering about with surprising agility to pluck berries. Band-tailed pigeons build nests on sturdy tree limbs, 10 to 180 feet from the ground, in trees such as Douglas fir, acacia, lodgepole pine, or live oak. The male may lead the female to potential locations, while the female may have the final. The nest is a flat or saucer-shaped platform of haphazardly intertwined twigs, occasionally supplemented with sparse needles, moss, or breast feathers. Constructed by both partners over 3 to 6 days, it measures about 8 inches across and 4 inches tall on the outside, with an interior space about 5 inches across and 1 inch deep. Female pigeons can reach sexual maturity as early as 7 months of age. Peak breeding season is between March and July, but feral pigeons can breed all year round. Normally 2 eggs are laid with 2 to 4 broods each year. Pigeons are monogamous. 8 to 12 days after mating, the females lay 1 or 2 eggs. The eggs are incubated for 18 to 19 days and the hatched chicks, squabs, are fledged and leave the nest after 30 to 37 days. The male provides nesting material and guards the female and the nest. The young are fed pigeon milk, a liquid solid substance secreted in the crop of the adult, both male and female, that is regurgitated. Baby pigeon or squabs grow very fast and are ready to fly out between 4 to 6 weeks. Squabs do not step out or leave the nest before they grow enough to take their first flight. Thanks for watching to the end. If you find this video interesting or you may have learned something new, please do hit the like button and subscribe. Leave your comments below and tell us what you think about this video and what kind of animal you would like us to document next. See you next time.